Do you struggle with snoring and erectile dysfunction? Let me give you a 1-minute exercise you can do nightly, self-care to help yourself. Namaste. Welcome, gentlemen. It's Anita Tadavarthi. I'm a licensed acupuncturist. I've been doing this a long time, 2 decades. I've treated about 100,000 patients. And one pattern that I've seen in my practice is that gentlemen who experience snoring also experience erectile dysfunction. I've seen this correlation in my practice. And my conclusion, this is my finding, is that if you are snoring, then you may not be breathing as well during your sleep. And as a result, you may not be getting the nitric oxide that you need to help with blood circulation and blood flow to the penis, helping you with that firmness and duration in the bedroom. So want to share with you an exercise that you can do for yourself. But before I do that, I just quickly want to explain that with all erection-related issues, I always ask my patients to just check in with their medical doctor, confirm that there is nothing serious and underlying that is going on. There may be medications that impede your erection, so just check in with them, and the partnership between you and them and the self-care protocol can be very impactful. What I want you to consider doing is that couple minutes before you go to bed, as you are laying down, I want you to acupress the area next to the nostril. This can help you open up the nasal passageways and clear out any debris in the maxillary sinus, which can help you to take a deeper breath so that you can have more nitric oxide and you can breathe better. In addition to that, there is a key mirror image that I want to talk to you about. In Chinese medicine, we acupuncture and acupress certain areas, and it brings increased blood flow to another area. We are focusing on the face here, which can bring blood flow to the genitalia and the penis. Right here, as well as right here, represents the lower abdomen and also the root of the genitalia. And the nose represents the penis. So if we are acupressing this area, we are doing many wonderful things for you. We are helping you to breathe better by breaking up any debris in that sinus and nasal passageways. We're also acupressing a strategic key acupressure point to bring blood flow to the genitalia and the penis. When you do this, I want you to couple it with nasal breathing. Nasal breathing can also help bring blood flow through the nasal passageways and circulate blood throughout the body, also to the genitalia, to help you have that firmness and duration in the bedroom. When you do nasal breathing, I want you to breathe from the chest or the abdomen, mouth closed, with one or both nostrils open. And when you do this, do it laying down. And also when you do this, you can go as slow or as fast as you want. Also with the acupressure point, you can go as with pressure or little pressure, up to you. I feel that for you at this point, to doing a little bit firmer pressure can help break up that debris in the maxillary sinus and nasal cavity. So when you do nasal breathing, you only need to do it for a minute. So let me show you how, and I want you to follow along with me. Do it seated down or laying down. Here we go. Stay with it. Consistency is key here. Do it nightly. And most patients report that they see results within a few weeks. And as you keep doing it, you'll know when to stop. You'll know when the snoring is better, and you'll know when your firmness and duration is where it's needed to head. You'll know when to stop. Keep this tip in mind and let us know how it's working for you. Also, let us know what other topics you want to hear more about. I want to use my experience to help you along the way, and then know that we are just doing wonderful things here at Empirical Grace. We are putting the funds from monetization towards establishing a free clinic in my hometown of Washington, D.C. So if you want to support us, keep watching our videos, and you can also give us a donation if you would like, and using the first link in the link tree. So thanks for watching. Thanks for believing in us. Keep us posted. Until next time, from your friend and acupuncturist, I wish you all the best in being a man on the planet. It's Anita Tadavarthy. I want to use my 20 years of clinical experience in giving you the best of self-care acupressure protocols to help you along the way. Please comment down below and let us know if these protocols are helping you. Most patients report that they see results within a few weeks to a few months. And if there are topics that you want to know more about, comment down below. Your feedback shapes our content. And also want to give you a special message that we at Empirical Grace are doing just amazing things. We are putting the monetization money from social media towards establishing a free clinic in the Washington, D.C. area. I am from the Washington, D.C. area originally, and this has been my lifelong dream. So just know that as you watch our videos, the monetization money is going towards a great cause. And if you want to donate, you can do so using the first link in the bio. Thank you so much for believing in us, and I wish you all the very best in being a man on the planet. From your friend and acupuncturist, Anita Tadavarthy.
We would like to thank Anita's friends and business contacts who donated their time, money, and medical supplies to the Rapely Free Clinic.
We're here in my grandfather's marriage hall, which has now been converted into our clinic or free hospital. We have been here for 4 months, and we have treated about 1,000 patients with over 8,000 or 9,000 patient visits. Most of the patients are farmers and agricultural workers, so a lot of the things that they're dealing with is pains, lots of different types of